Okay, we got our head here. We've sanded it all down. We've touched it back up. So now we're ready to put our base coat of paint on it, and we're going to use a white acrylic paint. So we're going to take the back of the head here and slip this on so we can paint it. Like I said, we're going to use a white acrylic here. We got the mouth here. We're going to paint that also. So we're going to use this as our base. So we'll see how this looks after we let it dry. And probably put a second coat on it. Then we'll be ready to start to add the color. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So we'll do the entire head, let it dry, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.